Imagine an entire AI supercomputer, small enough to fit on your desk. Now imagine it running the same technology that powers the world's most advanced AI models. This is the NVIDIA DGX Spark, the world's smallest AI supercomputer, and it just went on sale today. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, the Spark squeezes NVIDIA's full AI platform, GPUs, CPUs, and software stack into a form factor smaller than most gaming consoles. At its core is the new GB10 Super SoC, a 20-core ARM CPU fused with the Blackwell GPU roughly on par with an RTX 5070. Translation: serious power, no wasted space. You're looking at 128 gigabytes of ultra-fast LPDDR5X unified memory, 4 terabytes of NVMe storage, Wi-Fi 7, 4 USB-C ports, and an HDMI connector. It's a workstation disguised as a lunchbox. NVIDIA calls it the world's smallest AI supercomputer, and they're not exaggerating. The Spark isn't meant for gamers. It's designed for developers, researchers, and AI creators who need the horsepower to run massive models right from their desks. Early units have already landed in the labs of Google, Meta, and Hugging Face, and even one hand-delivered by Jensen Huang himself to Elon Musk at SpaceX. Running NVIDIA's custom DGX OS built on Ubuntu Linux, the Spark comes preloaded with NVIDIA's entire AI toolkit, models, libraries, and microservices ready to deploy. Whether it's refining image generation or building smarter chatbots, the Spark is a plug-and-play portal into the AI frontier. And NVIDIA's not alone. Partners like Dell, HP, and Acer are already building their own AI-powered mini PCs using the same GB10 chip, like Acer's Veriton GN100. This is just the beginning. NVIDIA's next step, the DGX Station, promises 20 petaflops of performance and nearly 800 gigabytes of unified memory. The era of compact AI computing has only just begun. For $3,999, the DGX Spark isn't just another mini PC. It's a glimpse into the future, where supercomputing power fits in the palm of your hand. The world's smallest AI supercomputer has arrived, and it's ready to spark the next generation of innovation.